In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to a mobile app called CSScanner, also known as CamScanner, that allows you to create PDF documents from photos that you take with your mobile device. It then allows you to send that PDF file to yourself, or even to submit it to Moodle using the Moodle Mobile application. So let's get started. First, we need to install the application on our device. I happen to be on an iPhone, and I'm going to use the App Store, but it's equally available for Android using the Google Play Download Center. So first of all, I'm going to search, and I'm searching for CSScanner. Once I locate that application, I download it to my device. Now that it's installed, I can hit Open to launch it. It'll ask you whether you want to allow it to send notifications to you. For me, I'm going to choose Don't Allow. I'm provided a tutorial to guide me through some of the features of CSScanner. And once you've worked your way through that tutorial, you have the opportunity to sign in, register, or a small button at the bottom right, which says Use Now. You may choose to register at this point. It costs you nothing to do so, but for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to choose the Use Now feature. Now I have the opportunity to start scanning. I do that by pressing on the little camera icon at the bottom of the screen. CamScanner will then ask you whether it's allowed to use your camera, and of course you need to choose OK to this for the application to work. It starts with a little tutorial that shows you how you might set up CamScanner and its functions. So once you've worked through that tutorial, you have the opportunity now to add your own document. Simply line the camera up with the document that you want to scan, hit on the little camera icon, and then we'll take a photo of that page. Once you have that photo, you can use the little alignment adjusters to resize the area that will be captured into the final document. Then hit the tick button. It now converts that, in essence, to a scanned document, and it filters it to make the text more easy to read. You have a range of filter controls along the bottom, but I think that the auto, which is the first option here, does the best job. So I've now, in essence, scanned my document, and it's ready for me to either send to myself or to submit to Moodle. Let me show you both techniques. So now that I've performed my first scan, I can click on that to enlarge it, and you'll notice a series of options along the bottom of the screen. A handy one is available under this More option, and in essence, you can email it to yourself. So now we have a really ready way that we can get that scanned image off the device and maybe to our desktop computer. So quickly, just enter your email details here. Once you've done so, hit OK, and choose the type of file that you want to send to yourself. I would recommend the PDF file option. An email is generated, it will be sent to your address, and you simply hit the send button. Another great option that you have is to submit this file directly to Moodle. You can do that if you've already installed the Moodle Mobile application. I have a separate tutorial for this that will guide you through the installation process. But for me, I already have Moodle Mobile installed, and so what I'm going to do then is to share this file with Moodle Mobile. I do that by hitting the Share button. I choose the file type. Again, I want PDF file. And then from the sharing options available on the device itself, you can send this file to a range of sources. These will be different depending on what other applications you have installed on your own device. But you'll notice amongst them is Import with Moodle Mobile option. Once I've done that, that file is successfully stored in Moodle itself. The advantage now is I could then perhaps submit that as evidence to an assignment. So let me show you that. So here now in Moodle Mobile, it lists for me all of the courses that I'm enrolled in. I navigate to the course that I wish to submit my work to. I navigate to the particular assessment that I wish to attach this file to. perhaps it's this one here, and I use the option Add Submission at this point to add the file that I previously scanned using the CSScanner application. I click on Add File, and I look to the Shared Files option. And here are all of my shared files, including the one that I recently scanned. That file is now attached as my submission to this assignment, and I can hit the Save button. It will ask me whether I'm sure, and I hit OK. And now, in essence, I have not only scanned my file on my device, but submitted it as well as my assessment evidence.